Love long-distance touring but tired of sticking to the asphalt? Want to go motocamping but hate the hassle of building a bike from scratch? Meet the all-new Kawasaki KLX150 XPL. Unlike the standard KLX, the XPL variant embraces a rally classic, or overland style. Right out of the box, you get a tall windshield to deflect highway wind, a vintage vibe round LED headlight, factory handguards, and a heavy-duty skid plate to protect the engine from flying rocks. Plus, that new rugged graphic scheme looks absolutely phenomenal under the hood. It's powered by Kawasaki's legendary 144 cubic centimeters SOHC air-cooled engine. Bulletproof, reliable, and incredibly easy to maintain. But what makes it a true explorer is the chassis. You get premium upside-down front forks paired with a full-size 21-inch wheel up front and an 18-inch wheel at the back. With a massive 295 millimeters of ground clearance, clearing rough obstacles is a breeze. Weighing in at just 121 kilograms, it's nimble enough for your daily city commute, yet instantly ready to hit the wild on weekends. Priced at around 44.8 million rupiah. OTR Jakarta, the KLX150 XPL is the ultimate turnkey dual-purpose package for riders who want an adventure-ready machine without spending thousands on aftermarket mods. So, are you ready to take the new KLX overlanding? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next trail.